All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So could. Yeah. Something that might happen or not. Maybe. He could skate down the ramp. Maybe. Yeah, I could do it. I think I could do it if I had. I think I could do it if I had. Yeah. I could write it, but I need more time. Yeah, not just yet. I need more time. Yes. She could have gone there. She could have gone there. Yeah, and I could have gone with her. She could have gone there, but she chose not to. Yet I could have gone with her. I could have gone with her. How could it have happened? What happened? How could this happen? I don't know how it could have happened. I don't know. I don't know how it could have happened. I think it could work tomorrow. You know what? I think I could record more videos now. Yeah. She could read faster since I taught her. Since I taught her, she could read faster. Yeah. So could. Something might happen or not. Yeah, so he might go down there. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, what could they do? What could they do? They could do anything. They could do anything. Anything. Oh, who knows? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use could in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.